Hydraulic and solid retention time play a significant role in designing and operating anaerobic digestion systems. It describes the duration of the raw materials remaining inside a digester. The retention time can be classified into hydraulic and solid, and is expressed in hours or days. If the system is not specifically designed to retain the solids, like it is the case for fixed or floating dome digesters without buffer, the solid and hydraulic retention time are assumed to be equal. Maintaining an appropriate solid retention time is crucial to support the optimal growth of microorganisms and prevent their loss by discharge. The retention time can vary, and is influenced by type of the feedstock and temperature, and may differ between seasons for digesters without heating. Therefore, when designing such system, the average temperature during the coldest month needs to be considered, as exemplified in the following case from Vietnam, which is published as the country's guideline. The guideline offers recommendations about the retention time expressed in days for unheated digesters in different regions based on the average temperature during the coldest month. According to the guidelines, regions with the temperatures between 10 and 15 degrees Celsius are advised to maintain a retention time of 55 days. For regions with temperature between 15 and 20 degrees Celsius, a retention time of 40 days is recommended. In regions with temperatures above 20 degrees Celsius, a retention time of 30 days is advised. However, from the public health perspective, if dealing with human waste, it is recommended to extend the retention time to at least 60 days in anaerobic digestion systems when no adequate post-treatment is provided. And even with extended retention time, pathogens are unlikely to be completely inactivated under psychrophilic or mesophilic conditions. Therefore, adequate effluent and sludge management must be in place, and further treatment steps may be necessary depending on the specific application or disposal method. It is important to prioritize public health by considering these factors and taking appropriate measures. How do we calculate the hydraulic retention time? It is calculated by dividing the volume of the anaerobic digester in cubic meters by the influent flow rate in cubic meters per day. For example, if the volume of the digester is 100 cubic meters and the influent flow rate is 10 cubic meters per day, the retention time is 10 days. Together with the organic loading rate, the retention time is a very important design and operational parameter.